What's good, everybody? It's your girl Lady Red, and I'm back with another video. Happy Monday, everybody. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Alright, you guys, today I am having a dish that has been a staple in my household for many years. I'm not sure if you guys know about it, but it is called Yakamein, and its origins are in New Orleans, traced back to Chinese immigrants arriving, and the dish is made different ways by different people. And if you look it up, you'll see more information about it. But in my household, we call it just yak for short. And the way my mom used to make it back in the day was spaghetti noodles with ketchup, onions, and boiled egg on top, and some soy sauce. And then she used to have the salt pork. Anybody from down south, you know what salt pork is, but she switched that out for bacon because we know that the salt pork is extremely salty. So we've been having it this way for the longest, and don't knock it till you try it. It might sound weird, look weird, but it is bomb. I'm telling you, it's so good. The noodles, soy sauce, the ketchup, the boiled egg, the onions on top, the bacon on the side, super bomb. So I'm gonna insert some pictures of different ways people make it and a little bit of the history. Anyway, I have my salsa water. Actually, I have my ginger ale on the side and my glass of ice. So let's get into it. And this is raspberry ginger ale. First time trying this. Let me get my sippy sip. Wow, that's good. Ooh, all right, you guys. Oh, this meal is so good. It hits every time. I believe I did a cooking video on it when I first started doing YouTube. I think I did. If you don't have anything to eat, snack on, or drink on, pause the video and go grab something to eat, snack, or drink on. Don't have your girl eating by herself. And when my mom used to make it with the salt pork, it was pretty good, but like I said, the salt pork is so salty. So what are you guys up to? If you are eating with me, what are you eating on? So I went to see the Barbie movie with my daughters and my granddaughters. And I was just telling TMV Nation that I wasn't interested in the movie because I don't know, the trailer just didn't catch my attention. And I grew up on Barbie. I still have my Barbies. Loving You Barbie, Twirly Curls, and Dee Dee from Barbie and the Rockers. But my daughter bought the tickets and I got swindled into going. And I went and it was actually really good. So I enjoyed the movie. Will Farrell, he's funny. This is one of my favorite meals. I can't believe I haven't had it on my channel. This is the first time I'm having this on my channel. I want to thank everybody who watched my last video and welcome to all my new subscribers. And this is the last week you guys are going to see my nails like this. I wanted to do them this weekend, but I didn't get a chance to. And doing my nails is an all-day process. So I am going to do it this weekend. Excuse me. I don't want to get too full because I have 2 snacks over here that I want to try with you guys. The onion. The bacon. Alright, so I'm going to take one more bite and then I'm going to get into this snack. Snack time. Boom. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be trying these two cookies with you guys. One is, first of all, it's by Lenny and Larry's, the complete cookie, white chocolate flavored macadamia, 16 grams of protein, and it's plant-based. So we're going to try this one first. It's pretty big. It's a soft cookie. See how thick it is? It's different. But it's not bad. I love white macadamia. I mean, white macadamia. Macadamia. White chocolate with macadamia. And this one is oatmeal raisin. Now, when I was younger, I wasn't really oatmeal raisin kind of girl. I just don't like raisins in food. But my taste buds changed as I got older, so I can appreciate a good oatmeal raisin cookie. Like I said, it's different, but it's pretty good. So I give them both an 8 out of 10. Would I buy it again? Yeah. They had other flavors there too, but I'll try them later. Oh man. That oatmeal raisin cookie is really good though. I like that. Alright you guys, but I'm about to get up out of here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share, guys. Sharing is caring, so do me that solid and share. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you for watching. I'm Lady Red, and I'm out.